Hi my fellow beauty buffins. The magic of face blossom lies in its exquisite ingredient, the sacred Sakura flower from Japan. Our single powerful ingredient is Sakura, Japanese cherry blossom extract, organically sourced from the fleeting blooms of the Prunus cerulata tree. This extract is rich in specific compounds known for their anti-aging and skin brightening effects. Sakura flowers have been used for centuries by Japanese and Asian women as a key component to their daily skin ritual and is truly the epitome of beauty and radiance. Sakura flower extract has been shown to have an anti-glycation response, improve fibroblast cellular health, stop the enzymatic process in the skin that creates more melanin, and has been shown to improve collagen biosynthesis.